With Parcel Tracker, you can quickly log incoming parcels and automatically notify recipients. Recipients can be tenants, residents, students, and others. We recommend uploading a recipient list first so that Parcel Tracker can automatically match a parcel to the correct recipient. There are two ways to log in parcels: scanning and manual entry. Let's start with the scan mode. Make sure the entire label is in full view of the camera. Press and hold the button. Keep in mind that you must hold the button to complete the scan. Parcel Tracker will pick up both the name and the barcode. You can do this for multiple parcels in a row. If for any reason the app fails to do both, the app will pick up the name first. Then it will prompt you to scan the barcode. Rest assured that even if there is no barcode, you can still scan the name and address, but you'll need to enter or create a unique identifier. More on manual entry in the next section. If you want to add additional parcel details, press the overlay at the top of the screen. You'll be able to add tags, assign storage locations, and get an additional photo of the parcel. Or you can simply continue scanning. When you're done, click on the cart icon in the lower right corner. You'll see an overview of all the parcels you've scanned. To edit a parcel's details or delete it, swipe left on the parcel. When you're done, press Check In. This will notify recipients of their parcel's arrival. Next, let's look at manual entry. You can enter the name and the barcode manually. This is useful if, for example, the sender has written the wrong name on the label, or the barcode is covered in stickers, or if the parcel does not have a barcode. Press Check In. Press Select Recipient. Here, you can enter the name of the recipient or their location, such as a room number. After finding the recipient, you can either scan the barcode from the parcel or click the pen icon in the lower left corner to add one. You may also press the dice to create a randomly generated identifier. We recommend you mark the barcode on the parcel. Press the check button to create the parcel. Then check in to notify the recipient. Thanks for watching this tutorial. For more guides, check out our tutorials playlist.